crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying crafty and healthy as well. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Karina. I love to paper craft and also to organize my crafty supplies. So if you are interested in watching these type of videos, just do me a favor, please. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks very much for your support. And in today's video, yes, I finally going to share a project that I put together. I participated in a Christmas vintage swap hosted by the lovely Patty from Mommy and Me Crafts in YouTube and Instagram. So let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch what I put together. Boy, I am here with all these goodies already packaged, and this is a swap that I participated, hosted by the talented and lovely Patty from Mommy and Me Crafts in Instagram and YouTube. So we're required to put together a Christmas ornament kit, plus send a sequin mix, what else? A spool ribbon with a dangle, and also a gift card holder. So this is everything packaged. So I'm going to reveal what I made for each participant, and also how I'm packaging these. Okay, so let's start with the kit. So the kit component, it's these doily in a kind of like a cone shape pieces. So I put together a total of 4. We will require 3, and the extra one is for the host Patty. And package everything. I mean, talking about packaging all the flowers and the trims, etc. We were supposed to have everything flat, but this is kind of chunky because the ornament is chunky. It's super chunky. Okay, so let me show you the ornament that the recipients will be putting together. So I'm putting this white kind of a chipboard so you guys can appreciate the ornament. It is lovely. I made something similar back in 2018. I have a video on it. It's just like a different version with the Christmas tree and lots of flowers. So cute, right? So they're going to be putting this together when they receive it. Okay, so that's the portion of the Christmas kit, right? Now, let's take a look at the gift card holders. I don't know if you have watched my previous mini haul. I went to my local scrapbook store and got these gorgeous jammies. So again, for the papers that I use, it's Frank Garcia, this holiday collection, and also Mintopia. I bought that collection probably 2-3 years ago. I never use it. So, and let me open one so you guys can see what I put together. So I was watching a couple of YouTube videos and I didn't know, you know, how to make it. You know, I just want something simple, you know, not too complicated. And I came up with this idea of, you see the paper pad? I'm going to show you. So this is a paper pad that I used, the 6x6. So instead of cutting, I took advantage of, you know, these kind of like holder type. So what I did was I use it, I fold it, I stitch it, and then I use the ephemera from the collection, and then the cabochon that I bought at my local scrapbook store. So each gift card holder will include a gift card so it's a surprise. I haven't put them yet. So when I package things, you're gonna see one packaged with the gift card. So I'm not displaying the gift card and how much I'm giving to all these to all the crafters, right? So as you can see, I put together two of the same and then two of the same. So I bought like double ephemera and everything. So I'm happy that I am using, you know, things that I bought like a couple of weeks ago. Now let's take a look at the spool. So we were required to give like a trim in a decorated spool with a dangle. So I made these 4 ones. As you can see, I'm gonna open this one. So what I used the paper pad from Fran Garcia, and what I did was I put it in super heavy chipboard, you know, keeping consistency with the kit. I used that, and then this was the other side of the paper, and then this trim, which is like a wire trim. It's 1 yard, and then this trim. This is from the holiday collection from Tim Holtz, kind of vintagey style. And then I put together this dangle, which is like so cute. I bought these charm at my local scrapbook store, and then some of the bells, so cute. And then I have like so many of these pins. I'm like, you know, time to give them away. So that's how I'm holding the ribbons and the trim. And yeah, so I put together 4. They turn out super cute. I definitely enjoy putting this together. The other one, you see, with the little Christmas tree, another flower, and another red Christmas tree. So these are the spools with the trims and the dangle. Now, sequin mixes. So we were required to provide 1 tablespoon of sequin mixes, and I am like, how can I make these not too chunky, because things are going to be mailed and, you know, that jazz. So I said, you know what, maybe I should do some library cards. So let me show you the paper pad that I used. I use Stamperia, not Mintley, Stamperia Pink Christmas. So I use these paper pad, which is kind of like Victorian vintagey flowery stuff. So, and I made these library cards and glue the ephemera from the Fran Garcia collection. Oh, and the stickers are from Tim Holtz Ideology. So it's you know, Tim Holtz vintage stuff. So I said, you know, just to give some pop of color, I put some of the stickers. So this paper is so beautiful. So the library card that I put together, and then here's a taggy that came in the same collection, and then of course over here I glue the sequin mix baggie, huh? So so I don't have to like send bottles or, you know, bulky stuff. So, and I did 4. This other one is just lovely. I'm gonna show you. It's a kitty. Oh, look at that kitty, how gorgeous. Oh, so beautiful. So I truly enjoy doing these library cards. I haven't done library cards. So this was my first time, believe it or not. This other one is like a Christmas tree. Again, stickers from that Tim Holtz Ideology vintage collection. And this is a deer. I don't know if you want to see the deer, but the deer is cute too. They have like gorgeous animals. They even have bunnies too on it. Look at that, how gorgeous. So it quite like tags along the vintage style, even though I just combined two collections. You know, kind of like sort of tied together with all the pastel colors. Then I also put together like sort of a postcard. So I went to this vintage market and bought these gorgeous Christmas card, of course. So what I did was I photocopied it, and then I had this die that I purchased probably 2 years ago. I never used it. I'm like, you know, I am not gonna glue this, so I am gonna stitch it. So I put together these 4, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm giving them, you know, extra vintage stuff. Let's open this one up. You remember these tags? I purchased these tags at one of my local shops, and it's from this company in the land of elsewhere. Love it. Kind of vintagey, right? Sort of like more folk art vintage, but that's fine, you know, it's vintage. And then these postcards, so cute. Let me show you the other one, and I'm giving them this clippy from not clippy, but yeah, clip from paper, crepe paper. Yeah, one of those collections. And then this other one, the same thing I did, stitch this tag, and then this one, it goes along with the colors. And this other one, the tag, super cute. And then this kind of Santa, then this other one, and the snowman, super cute. So yeah, so these are and now we are just going to go ahead and package them. So I might be putting some music and, you know, do like the speed mode, you know, so you can watch how I'm putting all these packages together. This is what I'm going to be using to package the swap, so it's sort of flat and easy to do. I bought these pouches at the Container Store because I don't have a Daiso or 99 cents. So these are 5, so I'm just going to use 4. And let's go ahead and package these. So if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done and would like to be subscribed, just please click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks very much for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.